everyone, good morning. My name is Abanes. Today we will be doing the laboratory exercise, and the title of this activity is stoichiometry. This is under general chemistry for Bachelor of Arts and Psychology. So today we will be executing this activity, and these are the informations that we need to understand before going through this activity. The objectives: at the end of this experiment, you are expected to have been able to produce carbon dioxide from sodium hydrogen carbonate and acetic acid. Study the stoichiometry of the reaction. So these are the materials that we will be needing for this activity. We have the baking soda. We have vinegar, and we have a plastic jar, and we will measure for 1 liter. We have a plastic bottle. This has the screw and the cup. This is exactly 500 milliliter capacity. We have measuring cup. This is maximum 160. And then we have also the measuring spoon, a large tub. We have water in it already. A small plastic bag with 2 inches width. I've already cut it just to ensure that it will just be enough for 1/4 teaspoon of baking soda. Okay, so these are the procedures which we will start in a bit. The first thing I will do is, it says here, if your jar does not have minimum marking, if your jar does not have volume markings yet, use the measuring cup to pour 100 ml of water at a time, and use a marker to record the height and the water at each addition. So we will do that. So we will have, this is, let's put 100. Okay, that's 100 ml. We'll put it inside the jar. We will put a marking. My assistant for this activity is Kabir. Can you please come closer and put closer on this one?
Sure thing.
Okay, so this is 100. Okay, next. Okay, and then as we go, we'll add another 100. Just a little above 180. Okay, that's another one. So we have, I think that's nothing. Okay, so that's 200. Okay, we'll put another one. Okay, that is 300. Okay, so you will come back once I'm done filling it up, at least until 1 liter.
Okay.
Okay, hi everyone, we are back. Now, as earlier, we were instructed to measure a 100 ml cup of water, and we pour it inside the jar. And as we add, we've recorded the height of the water at its condition. As you notice, from 100 ml, we fill the jar until 1000 ml. Now, we are going to fill the tub with water. We are going to submerge the jar with markings and fill it with water. Now, we're not going to fill it anymore because it has already water. What we're going to do is we're going to add more water in the tub, and we will submerge this. Okay, so I'll be back with the tub with water. We are back. So I want to make sure that we are capturing adding water in the tub. So what I did, I got 1 pitcher of water, and we will fill it here in the tub. Okay, now the tub has water. So, we are going now to submerge the jar with markings, and we fill it with water already. So, we'll submerge it there. Okay? Now, the next one that we will be doing is fill about half of the plastic bottle with vinegar. So, this is the 500 ml capacity. We're going to fill half of it. So, 250. So, this is vinegar. We'll fill it up. We're just doing an estimate here. It should be half. Okay? Wow, that was an exact measurement. Okay, so now we have the bottle, plastic bottle with vinegar. The next thing we will be doing is we will get the baking soda. This is the baking soda, and this is the 2 inches width plastic bag which I've cut already, and we will put a 1/4 teaspoon of baking soda, and we will put in the small plastic. Okay, and then we cut it already. We cut the plastic bag. Next step is we will be dropping the small plastic bag with baking soda on the bottle with vinegar, and we will immediately close it. We make sure that the baking soda does not react with vinegar before the lid is tightly closed. So let's do that. Okay. I hope it won't. You're too near, Kabir. Okay. And then I hope it won't react. I hope we will not fail. Oops, it's not reacting. And then we shake it. Shake the bottle. The baking soda is consumed. It's already consumed. There is bubbles. See, there is a significant bubbling that happened. I think it was good. Okay, that was a good one. Alright, so the next activity that we will be doing, I will be needing someone's help here. So let's come back. Let me ask for a help, and then once we are ready, we'll come back. Okay, we are back. The next activity that we will be doing is, so I have a help with me. Lift the jar upside down with the markings. Let me read first the instruction before you lift the jar. Lift the jar upside down with the markings while maintaining the mouth submerged in water. Make sure no air is present inside the jar. Put the plastic bottle under the water and carefully place the mouth of the bottle inside the jar. Open the bottle carefully to release the carbon dioxide formed from the reaction into the jar. The water level inside the jar should be decreasing as the carbon dioxide is transferred. Record the volume and the gas trapped in the jar before recording. Make sure that the water inside and outside of the jar is at the same level. So both water inside the jar and the top is at the same level. So this would ensure that the pressure inside the jar is the same as the pressure inside. Alright, so now we are going to lift the jar upside down with the markings. Okay. Okay. Wait. I cannot open it yet. Upside down. Okay. Okay. Now I will put this inside, right? I will open. It doesn't say open.
No, open after putting inside. But I don't know how you do that.
Alright. Okay. It explode. Stop it.
I told you.
Okay. So this is the result. After we try to submerge and open and put the vinegar, the plastic with vinegar, it actually burst. And I don't think we'll be able to continue. So But I think at least you've seen how to know. So I think one thing that we really have to be sure here is we did not anticipate actually that it will have that strong reaction. It actually blasted. It's because there was a carbon dioxide trapped inside this along with the soda. So that's why it has a very strong reaction. So I don't think we will be able to continue with the rest of the activity, but I will try to answer what I can answer in the remaining questions in this activity. But definitely most of it, the way how we execute this experiment, I think we learned something. So again, thank you so much everyone. This is Luningning Abanes, and this is laboratory exercise 1 for stoichiometry. Thanks, bye-bye.